Please, my lord. My lord, I would like to mention, my lord, part two hearing list, item number 75, my lord.
Oh, don't worry. Because part two,
Yes.
5 each every day, we are bringing into the part one and hearing it.
And sir, urgency, I shall be out,
Or you want to,
out of station, my
you want
lord.
to do it or you don't want to do it
I want to do, my lord.
today?
No, my lord, 11th of May, my lord, Thursday.
Yes. It will do. As I used to list in the part one. Zoom to date. Whichever date convenient, we'll list it in the part one.
Hi, lord.
Item 1 for motion.
Well,
Mm,
well, in this case, lordship has directed the CID
yeah.
make an inquiry, lord.
Mm. That pressurized,
Lordship.
that I think
The various kinds of
school
certificates.
teacher of Gambura came and said that I was pressurized.
No, my lord. Headmaster.
Sorry, headmaster. He said pressurized.
True.
So
Lordship has-
these form of certificates on being issued when you are pressurized by some outside forces, its credibility is lost in fact.
Well, the case has been registered. The investigation is going on. Well, I spoke to the IO today. Some difficulty he is facing. Kindly, lordship may kindly take up the order dated 20th of March,
Yeah, 23, 2023.
23, 2023. Kindly come to para 7.
As
The
a preliminary indicated
Second
certificate,
paragraph. For facilitating the process.
complete all over the state as to under what secondary is active as such certificate.
One
This
of the-
you make a broad-based inquiry.
One of the second, the in the middle, for facilitating the process, the CIDB provided with some sample photocopies of all such certificates that are being relied upon by so and so foreigners tribunal as well as the proceedings which are pending before this court. Look, this certificates possibly they have contacted the registered judicial. I'm told that they have not received the copies yet. So that Malad, the copies have to be provided. And Malad, I have
Who is
also.
appearing for the tribunal, Mr. Sharma? Make a request to the tribunals that in all such pending matters and also pending before the High Court, from each tribunal, you give a sample of 10 such school certificates that are being relied on.
Lordship here has said five or whatever it is. Kindly,
Just
kindly,
take a random
Yes.
sample, 5 or 10 from each tribunal. Please hand over to them, let them make a preliminary inquiry as to what are the basis of these
Yes.
certificates.
yes. The list of 100 tribunals they are having, the IO is having, but the certificates are, he has not received.
Okay, please do it. Mr. D. Nath, learned Senegal advocate, has drawn the attention to the court of the requirements of para 7 of the order dated 23/2023. In order to make the school certificates relied upon by the proceedings in various proceeding of the different tribunals. People, read the sentence. Available for the purpose of the inquiry conducted by the CID Assam, comma, it is ordered that all the tribunals shall find out 10 sample copies of the school certificates relied upon by the various proceedings in different proceedings and provide a photocopy thereof to Mr. G. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Home Department of the Government of Assam, who also otherwise represents the tribunals, so that the copies thereof can be handed over to Mr. D. Nath, Learned Senegal Advocate,
For the purpose of inquiry.
for the purpose of the inquiry to be made by the CID.
And, some cases are pending in this court also, this honorable court also.
That's why I said
Lordship.
tribunals. Here,
The registered
the registry will have a difficulty in finding out, taking out.
or my land.
All, Mr. Sharma, you do one thing. As and when we are taking up the matters, you take up some school certificates and hand over.
Yes.
The registry may, sorry. Can the registry provide a photocopy of that order? Mr. Sharma will indicate. You just indicate a case number, registry will make a photocopy and give it. This we are not putting in an order. We understand that it will be done that way.
Lordship, may kindly fix a date so that within
We are
that date,
giving you 4 weeks.
no, matlab, for
The,
providing the
the required certificates be provided by the tribunals within a period of 1 week is good
1
enough,
week.
I think, within a period of 1 week from
1
today.
yes, yes.
And Mr. Sharma may also do the needful as regards the matters pending before this court to provide the relevant writ petition numbers to the court master so that the photocopies of the certificates can be procured and handed over to Mr.
Lordship. And the
And
case
this-
will come up after 4 weeks.
after 4 weeks. But your case, Mr. Mubarak, minus your school certificates, do you have any material?
66.
See, we don't like to, because we are making an inquiry for some other purpose,
66
including
voter
your
list,
purpose.
Her father's name. is,
We don't like to keep you pending for that long.
Lordship. 66 voter list is also we have received, my lord, recently, my lord, in the name of her father.
Well, that's okay. You can produce any material. We'll look into it.
And one.
So if you want us to hear your matter, minus that offending school
Lord.
certificate, we'll hear you.
Lordship.
When do you want?
Others is, my lord, one governor certificate.
We don't know anything. When do you want it to be heard? But without referring to the offending school certificate.
Lordship. The voter list of 1966, my lord.
You can rely upon any document, not
Lord.
today. When do you want?
Anything, my lord.
The report or a preliminary report be submitted by the CID within after 4 weeks. For the purpose, list the matter on so and so,
12 June.
12 June. In
Okay.
order to enable the petitioner to advance her arguments without referring to the offending school certificate, comma, based on any other material that the petitioner may have. List the matter on.
Yeah.
I'm ready, my lord.
It would also be heard in respect of petition on the next returnable date.
Lordship.
Yes.
Item 2.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
May Lordships. Lordships, my father of the petitioner is Goralal Burman, Lordship, page 47.
Father of the petitioner is
Goralal Burman, Lordship, page 47. Is the voters list of 1971.
page 47.
Yes, Lordship. Goralal 206.
What land? Go. It's
Yes,
go or po? Go.
Go
Gorlal. Gorlal. Okay. So he's the father.
Yes, Lordship.
Says of
It's 1971, Lordship.
1971. 1971. Village, Bothia, Roka. Okay, now which document will show this is the father?
Page 36, Lordship.
36.
He's a Gaunpura of the same village. And in his cross, he has said, Lordship, page 37, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Yes. There's a cross-examination also. Which page? Cross-examination.
Lordship, this is a deposition of Gambura itself.
No, no, I understand. This is in chief or in cross?
In chief, Lordship.
No, this is a cross.
Hmm. Because nothing is indicated, neither it is indicated to be chief nor to be cross.
Lordship, question put by the tribunal. Nahi.
Cross examination was not done, Lordship.
Cross action, no? Cross is there. Lordship, page 38, last portion is.
I was. We have noticed that, but in the English translation from where? That second paragraph. Second
Yes,
paragraph
yes,
is the
Lordship.
cross.
Yes, Lordship, the OP has two brothers.
That is
After
cross.
that, voter ID. This is the voter identified value from the DC local.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. You did not cross-examine.
Yes, Lordship.
You have cross-examined, but you did not
We were-
confront this witness on his evidence that Minoti Das is the daughter of Gorlal.
Yes, Lordship.
Did you not confront that evidence? What do you do?
Yes, Lordship. Remand back, Lordship.
For what purpose?
Or,
Remand back, there always has to be a reason. What the tribunal do on being remanded back?
for further cross, Lordship. For
Yeah.
further cross examination.
You want to cross further?
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm? No, you do down for a Paramano. 60 million. Hmm. Hmm. I haven't know the certificates. Ahora por por comisión, See, Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
this person is not only a Gambura. Gambura, he may be for the last 2 years or 3 years, but he's a man of 69 years. And he had specifically stated, অপরপক্ষক মই সৰুৰে পৰা চিনি পাওঁ.
Yes,
So he is exercising his personal knowledge.
yes, Lordship.
So that doesn't matter whether he's a Gambura or he's a ordinary person of the village. But he says, I have personal knowledge that and he knows the father, he knows their family. So you will have to confront this witness on this evidence he had given.
Yes.
Heard MSc H. Bitala and counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner Minoti Das had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number
Number 5, Lordship, page
Mhm.
15,
page number
15, Lordship,
50.
15.
Refer to the Foreigners Tribunal number 5, Sonit 5 at Bishwanath Tariali for engineering an opinion as to whether the petitioner is a person who entered the state of Assam honor from the specified territory honor after 25th 1971 resulting in registration of case number BNC stroke B stroke 996 stroke 2016. An opinion dated 1/12/2019 had been rendered declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner being aggrieved. This writ petition is instituted. In the writ proceeding, the petitioner relies on the voters list of the year 1971 of village Botia Roka and the Sotia police station, Moza, Naghonkar in the Haridpur district, which contains the name of Gorlal Burman, son of Trolokya at serial 206. The petitioner relies upon the evidence of DW2, Puneshwar Saikya, who is aged about 69 years, and also the Gaumbura of Niz Nagshankar Lot. Is the village Botia Roka also included in the Niz
Lordship,
Hankar lot?
Lordship, he is recently he is appointed like 2 years. He is appointed temporary as government Gambura of that village.
Mr. Sharma, your cross-examination had helped them even more. They were little short in their examination in chief, and wherever they were short, you have cross-examined them in such a way that that is also filled up. People. DW2 stated that he is the government Gaumbura of Niz Nagshankar lot and had also temporarily acted as the Gaumbura of Botia Roka lot. And in his introduction, DW2 claims to be a resident of Nagshankar. Full stop. No explanation is also forthcoming from the DW2 as to whether the village Botia Roka is a part of the Niz Nagshankar lot, except for his statement in cross that the distance between the house of the petitioner and that of his is about 1.5 to 2 kilometers. Full stop. But DW2 in his examination in chief is very categorical that he knows the petitioner opposite party since a childhood, and therefore he had issued the certificate. But it is rather distressing to note that the respondents in the Home Department of the Government of Assam in the cross-examination had added to fill up the gaps of whatever lacuna was there in the evidence of DW2, rather than seriously trying to cross-examine the DW2 on the veracity of the evidence that he may have rendered. In the circumstance, Mr. G. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Home Department of the Government of Assam, praised that the matter be remanded back to enable the Home Department of the Government of Assam to cross-examine DW2 on the veracity of the statements he had made, that he knows the petitioner from childhood and therefore had given the certificate, and that the petitioner is the daughter of Gorlal Borman of village Botiaroka, who had died much earlier. In view of the above, matter remanded back to the tribunal to enable her to cross-examine the DW2 if so advised. The respondents in the Home Department may also make any other verification that they are required to do under the law and submit their report before the tribunal. The petitioner may also produce any further evidence as may be advised to establish that the petitioner Binoti Das is the daughter of Gorlal Borman, whose name appears in the voters list of 1971 of village Botiaroka.
Lordship, maybe DW2 is there or not, we are not aware, Lordship. He might died also.
Then you will be in difficulty.
Yes, Lordship.
Why you know? The law, read the law of evidentiary value of a dead witness.
Yes.
That goes against you.
No, now, Lordship.
Understand, that goes against you.
Yes, Lordship.
If DW2 has died,
Might be, Lordship. We are not aware.
that may go against you, because it will be evidence of a dead witness where the respondents may not have had. But you had the opportunity,
Yes,
only thing you
Lord,
did not do it. Who prevented you from cross-examining in a better way?
Yes, Lordship.
Anyway, do it. We'll address the issue when the information comes. A reason order this.
Much obliged.
Item 3,
Sir.
Of the deposition of DW2 rendered in examination. Evidence now, deposition of rendered. Okay.
To file, Lordship last located.
Resident of Bipuria may
Bipuria.
file affairs on what basis was issued and countersigned by the circle.
An affidavit of circle officer has already been filed on Saturday, Mala, probably it is not on record. And president of Bipuria municipality, but I could not file it because her father-in-law has expired, so she can come after 10th, Mala.
It stated that the president of Bipuria municipality is in bereavement and therefore the affidavit could not be filed as ordered by the order of 3/4/2023. It further stated that the affidavit of the circle officer had been filed in the meantime.
Well, Saturday last. Sixth.
List after 2 weeks on so and so for the
Lordship,
two affidavits to be placed on record.
I submit, Lordship. I have also filed an additional affidavit.
We
Where
bring
it-
that also.
And already I have filed. And I think it's there in the record. And along with which evidence on affidavit,
Understand.
petitioner intends to file before the learned tribunal of her brother.
We'll hear it in one go, let
Yes,
all the affidavits
yes,
come.
Yes.
Instead of making it piecemeal, today I hear your affidavit, tomorrow.
Again, they Filed it already.
It stated that the petitioner has also filed an additional affidavit bringing in certain further materials, which would also be taken into consideration on the next return.
Yes.
from license.
22nd May. Item 4,
Yes, Mr. Mahmood. The new matter,
May I take the question?
Akia
My
Khatun,
lord, my father is Azizur Rahman.
page number.
His name appears in the voter 66/20.
Page number 20.
Yes.
Azizur.
And his name
66,
also appears
Village is Romari. And which document will show that
and
you are his daughter?
1970 voter list also.
Understand?
Yes,
Yes, okay,
22.
which document will show you are daughter of Azizur?
Yes, there are, my lord, my own brother has adduced evidence.
There is no meaning of the expression
I-
own brother.
I am
Unless
showing.
unless you establish he is the
Yes,
brother.
yes, I am showing, my lord. I am showing, kindly see, my lord, page.
So show us any voters list which will contain that own brother and Azizur in the
Page 29, can you see?
page 29. Azizur Rahman.
Azizur
Village
Rahman.
Romari.
And
And
Jalal
which-
Hussain.
Jalal.
Jalal Hussain is my brother and his father's
Jalala
name is
Hussain.
Azizur Rahman.
Okay, and there is evidence of Jalal Hussain.
Yes, a village Romari, same village.
And there is evidence of Jalal Hussain
Jalal Hussain,
saying that this petitioner is his
his own sister. Yes.
sister. Let me put it with you. Mr. Sharma, we issue notice and interview.
Yes, yes, counsel.
Item 5,
Problem.
Item 5.
May please.
You are B Sharma or S Sharma?
B Sharma.
B Sharma.
Yes.
Okay, Jafar Ali.
Jafar Ali.
Who is the father?
His father is Hazrat Ali,
Page number?
and prior to that, come to that problem occurred.
No, no. Plus show us who is
in
the father
31.
in which page?
His father is in page number 31,
31.
31. And
Father is Hazrat Ali,
yes,
village
and also
Kuri Hamari. Mr. Sharma, let us go one by one. Village Kurihamari or Borsulia? Which village he is from?
the village is Kuryamari.
Kurihamari.
Yes,
Which document will show that Jafar is the son of Hazrat Ali?
page number 39. That's
39, is it 97 or what is it?
this is. Another. Translate.
What is this? 2014. Hazrat and Jafar together. Very
Yes,
well.
yes.
How do you know that Hazrat himself is a citizen?
Hazrat, his name, because prior to his father, grandfather, petitioner's grandfather is Manser Ali. So his name is in 1966
Page
list.
number
Page number, 24.
24. Who is he? Loser.
That in Assamese it is Manser Ali,
Uh,
but it should be actually,
no, whatever it is, where is Maser?
yes,
Maser Ali. Okay,
Maser.
Maser Ali is the grandfather.
yes, and
And
Hajira
this
Khatun
this
is-
is of which village?
is it same, that is,
No, it's some Tapor,
Tapabar.
Tapabari or something.
Tapabari. Tapabari.
Tapabari and Kurimari are different villages. The
Yes.
petitioner claims that Hazrat Ali of the voters list of village Kuriamari of the year 1997 is his father, and to establish the same refers to the voters list of 2014 of village Kuriamari Borsulia, which contains the name of Hazrat Ali and the petition and Jafar Ali together in the same voters list. But to establish that Hazrat Ali himself is a citizen, reference is made to the voters list of 1966 of village Tapabari, which contains the name of Moser Ali, son of Isab,
Yes,
at serial number 8, and claims that Moser Ali is the father of Hazrat Ali. It is noticed that the village where the name of Moser Ali appears is Tapabari, and that of Hazrat Ali is village Kuhurimara. Petitioner may produce any relevant material that Hazrat Ali is the son of Moser Ali. Next
only
item.
one submission in this respect. Moser, because actually the name of.
Mr. Sharma,
Manser Ali.
Mr. Sharma, we are not in a CPC proceeding where explanations have any relevance.
No, no.
We are directly on facts. You
Yes.
produce material, we'll appreciate it. Next item, please. Show
Item
any material that he is the father.
Item 6,
Yes, Mr.
Wait, please, Your
uh,
Lordship. Lordship, here the
Chaudhary.
petitioner is Lordship Samartu.
Samartu Begum.
Yes,
Who is
Lordship.
the father of Samartu? Begum?
Father is Shamsher Ali, page 25, Lordship.
Page 25.
Registered marriage agreement, Lordship.
Sorry, just a minute. Page 25,
25.
75,
25. Lordship.
25. Okay. 25. This is what is this? Deed of marriage is made and entered on the so and so.
Registered marriage agreement of marriage, Lordship.
We are asking you who is the father of Samartha Begum.
Now, Lordship, the party number 2, Lordship, Samartu
This
Begum.
is a creation of your own.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, you
Yes.
can make any number of agreements you want. And by claiming your father to be any person in this world.
Lordship,
This has no evidentiary value. Any other document?
then Lordship, Father's Lordship, Father's voter list, Lordship will find on page 79, Lordship.
79.
Page 24, 79 voter list, Lordship.
Page 2479. Shamsher Ali.
Yes, Lordship.
So where is the document to show that you are the daughter of Shamsher Ali?
Only this
A-
marriage.
And
agreement.
secondly, where is the material to show that Shamsher Ali himself is a citizen?
Yes, Lordship. Shamsher Ali's voter name is 1979, Lordship, as well as his name reflected in page 44, Lordship, Jamabandi copy, Lordship.
Page number 44. in Jamabandi.
44. Lordship. To document, Lordship, that time I could not place, Lordship. May I place now, Lordship, this Gaumbuda certificate of that village, Lordship.
We don't want it. Yes, they want. Jamabandi form, you know. Shamsher Ali. ये तो सोमाली है सोमाली सोमसेल लिखना है सोम हमारा को 44 में सोमसेल ठीक है
The original copy is there, Lordship.
मिया बॉक्स तो तुम गाँव रे This land is in the which village? Where is
Is the
that
Borsola, Lordship.
page
Dorong.
number?
May I place the Lordship, the certificate copy, is a more clear one.
Shamsher Ali. ठीक है मिया बॉक्स गाँव का नाम से ना बोल ना बोला ये तो विदेश Halmara. They are of different village.
Yes, Lordship. Grandfather from Lordship, Borsola, Lordship. The grandfather name appear in the voter list of 1958, Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, we already expressed a view. There is nothing called father, grandfather, brother, this, that.
It's a link.
Everything has to be established.
Yes, Lordship.
There is no presumption that somebody is the grandfather or.
Now,
Yeah,
Lordship, the voter
you show
list,
us material.
Lordship, this Gaumbuda Lordship of that Borsola village, Lordship. May I place that Gaumbuda certificate, Lordship?
Village is not Borsola. One village is Halmara and the other village is Rongagora.
Ronga,
Moza is Borsola.
yes, Lordship, I'm referring the Mojo.
So Moza is a huge area.
Yes, Lordship. Gaumbuda of Borsola and the Gaumbuda of present Gaumbuda Lordship, certified that Lordship.
Who is this Gambura name?
Lordship certificate is.
The superintendent of police border to make an inquiry as to under what circumstance the Gaon Pradhan of Rangagora village number 1, 3 and 2 had rendered the certificate to the petitioner Shamsher Ali containing the information as to his family history and what is the source of knowledge of the Gaon.
Copy of the certificate also. It
A
was
copy
not
of the certificate be given, be given to Mr. G. Sharma, list after 2 weeks for the report by the superintendent of police.
Obliged.
Of which district, superintendent, Mr. Sharma?
Lordship Baksa,
Baksa, of Baksa.
district
district.
Tamulpur.
Yes, next item.
March 21.
Item 7.
Yes, Mr.
Item 7 and 8.
Oh, Babul Ali, who is the father of Babul Ali?
But is Abdul Arab.
Page number,
Page number, my lord. His name appear in the Buddha list of my lord. 1979.
page number,
Page number, my lord. 33.
Rob,
Rob. Yes.
village Jaluguti,
Chalugudi.
police station Mikir Bheta, Morigaon.
But problem is there, my lord, in this
I will
case.
come in. Which document will show that Babul Ali is the son of Rob?
Yes, Babul Ali's name appear along with his mother in the Buddha list of my lord 1997,
Page number
page 35, my lord.
35.
No, sorry, my lord.
And which document will show that Rob himself is a citizen?
Because first time his name appeared in the Buddha list of 1979. Earlier to that, he
Mr. Ahmed, just show any material which will show that Rob himself is a citizen.
has his name appear first time in the Buddha list.
Understand?
1979.
First time
Then-
in 1979.
Yes, then and land document is there.
Page number,
Page number, my lord, it is exhibited. Page 47, my lord.
sorry,
Page 47.
47. This is of which village?
It is a complete certificate copy I annexed later on, my lord.
Ah.
Page
Of which village? This land is of
Eh,
which village?
Jalugudi, my lord. Jalugudi. Page 56, my lord.
Page number, village is Jaluguti.
Jalugudi, my lord.
From where you get that?
Original copy I placed later, annex 56.
Please produce it. Page 56.
Yes, page 56. And those could be perhaps in the record, my lord.
Where is the name Jaluguti?
Page 56, my lord.
I'm on 56 only. Where is the
Village-
name
Village
Jaluguti?
Jalugudi, original, my lord. Page 56.
Where will you, page number?
Page 56.
Right hand
Ah.
top, your lordship.
Right hand side, my lord.
Right hand top, your lordship.
Right hand side, that order.
No, your lordship.
Page 53 also it is mentioned.
56, your lordship.
Gaon
Village,
Jaluguti.
Gaon, Jaluguti.
But what is the name of Rob? Name of the father of Rob?
Ishaq Ali.
Huh?
Ishaq Ali. But in the Buddha list of 1979. his
It is,
name
the- it
wrongly
is given
written
Habibur or
Habib.
something.
And my lord, I'll to that, my lord. One case has been registered against him, my lord.
Diljano se. Mr. Sharma, a bit interesting.
Yes.
একটু লিখে দিব এখানে লিখি এটা লাস্ট প্যারা লিখে দিব The petitioner relies on the Jamabandi of a plot of land of village Daluguti the vernacular version of which is available at page 56 of the writ petition. Very. The name of Diljan Nessa, wife of A. Rof, and that of Babul Ali, son of A. Rof, is recorded. But how do you know that Rob himself was there before 1971?
Because one case has been registered against Rob.
The the petitioner to produce any relevant material which may show that Rob, who had land at village Daluguti, as per the order of the circle officer of 11/10/1977, is also a citizen. This after 1 week.
No, my lord.
Next
It
item.
lost locality, my lord. Only just one record is needed.
No, we want
because-
some information. He produced that he himself is a citizen.
No, my lord. One case is registered, that record is necessary. I could not annex there because it is on the record. One finance case registered against him, my lord.
Get a
Yes, madam.
certificate copy.
Because I certificate copy I got, my lord, it is not eligible. It is on the record, my lord. The record is.
We can't call for the record for without having
Because
enough
because it
material.
is not eligible, my lord. That is why we could
Then
not
we-
annex, my lord.
Then we dismiss it, Mr. Raj. We dismiss it. Mr. Ahmed. Records will be called only when we are prima facie satisfied. We can't call for a record to establish your case. First, you show us that document.
Only for in-laws, just.
Our order remains, you produce any material that Rob is a citizen. Rest is okay.
After
We understand
I understand.
Babul is the son of Rob. We understand Diljan is the wife of Rob. But we have not got any material which would show that Rob himself is a citizen.
That is why
So please, produce. Yes, next item.
Item 8,
after 2 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks, okay. hand it up.
Two is also another matter, my lord. Only problem, my lord, I'm cordially requested. Lord.
Same order. You
Same
produce that Rob is a citizen. He
Because,
himself is a
because
citizen.
that,
Next item.
item 8,
my lord, that annex I could not annex, but this is the decision of the government. All their corners cases were registered against me, my lord. And I haven't declared that I am not Indian. I am not Pakistani. But that in the cannot not visible. It is the original copy is in record, my lord.
Go and get it.
So I could not translate it, my lord. That is why I am not.
You
annexed,
did
my
not.
lord.
You go and get a better copy. Mr. Sharma, give a better copy if he applies for.
Apply, lord.
You apply, they'll give you a better copy.
Then after 3 weeks, 3 weeks,
3 weeks, okay?
to put the cases take together.
এটাত বাবুল আলী কলো এটাত
Kabul and Nazira,
Nazira.
2 matters.
item 9,
Yes, item 9. Tahir Ali, who is the father of Tahir Ali?
Miaruddin Lordship,
Sorry, page number.
page Lordship. Page 17 Lordship,
7.
page 17, 1989 voter list.
7.
Then page 18,
Page 17.
17, 18,
89 voters list.
19,
It's of village. Gilani,
Kampur Thakur,
Gilani. Village Gilani,
Thilani.
Nagaon. Yes. Mr. Sharma, what are you referring? We are asking you who is the father of Tahir Ali?
Miaruddin Lordship,
Huh?
Miaruddin Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has failed to indicate to the court as to which material will show
Lordship,
as to who is the father of the petitioner and that he himself is a citizen. List next week. You prepare, come,
I have already prepared.
give us
Lordship.
the information we are asking for.
Lordship, I have
Next item, please.
Item 10,
We want only two information, Mr. Sharma, who is the father and that father himself is a citizen. And secondly, that this person is the son or daughter of that. person.
In voter list,
Enough
and on
of it.
written statement also Lordship, my father's name is indicated.
Next item, please. Yes, Mr. Ali. See, we give you enough opportunity, take advantage of it.
May I please? It's ex parte order, your lordship,
Ex parte order.
lordship. And the.
You received
is
notice?
detained. Lordship.
Notice was received.
No,
Where is the ex parte order?
ex parte order is at page, impugn order. is
43.
42, your lordship. And she has been detained, your lordship.
How much cost will you pay? 2015, you pay 5,000 cost. Your name, please. Yes, Ali or PB Hazarika?
Yes, same lordship.
Which case number?
Yes,
WBC,
I am on behalf of Mr. S. Ali, your lordship.
we don't recognize any behalf. If you want, you can argue a matter. If you do not want, we'll adjourn it.
I will argue it,
You want to argue?
lordship.
What did you know? Heard
As to say.
as Hussein.
Lordship.
As Hussein, I got a back with you. The petitioner China BB was referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Bongaigaon for rendering opinion as to whether she is a person who entered the state of Assam on or after 25/3/1971, resulting in registration of BNGN/FT/ case number 1704/07. An opinion dated, an ex parte opinion dated 16/12/2015 had been rendered declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner. Being aggrieved, district petition is instituted. A reading of the order of the tribunal as well as the materials placed on record, as well as the learned counsel for the, and also the learned counsel for the petitioner. It is apparent that the petitioner was served with the notice by the tribunal. Initially appeared before the tribunal, but later on, without any acceptable reason, had refrained from appearing before the tribunal, which resulted in the ex parte opinion dated 16/12/2015. In view of the admitted facts of the matter, we do not notice any infirmity in the order of the tribunal. But however, for the interest of justice, the petitioner is given another opportunity to prove her case that she is a citizen. Full stop. But however, for the conduct of the petitioner, the petitioner to pay, however, for her conduct, the petitioner to pay a cost of rupees 5,000 to be deposited before the District Legal Services Authority of Bongaigaon District, and thereupon, after showing proof of the payment of cost, to appear before the tribunal on
13 June.
Lordship. I'm behind the bar, your lordship. I will be, have to go. I have been detained, your lordship. So without,
Detention is still going on or what, Mr. Sharma?
I have to take instruction only.
Sorry,
There the instruction I don't have Lordship. If he is,
are you sure the person is still in detention? On
Yes, Your
which
Lordship.
date she was taken into detention?
lordship, she is detained. She
Mr.
has-
Counsel, on which date she was taken to?
She has been detained on, lordship, I have made statement, 17/2/2023, your lordship. I have made statement, your lordship.
Definitely, you are. It is stated that the petitioner is presently in detention at
Bongaigaon.
Bongaigaon. Is there a detention camp? Madam Ghosh, is there a detention camp at Bongaigaon?
Yes,
It might be Goa and both.
Gwalpara district,
It's in Gwalpara.
Gwalpara
The
district.
Matia camp.
Mr. Hussain, give correct information to the court.
I have statement, make statement, is number.
But your
14,
verbal statement is different.
Lordship, she has been detained, petitioner is
The
detained on
so continue. Petitioner to make sure as to in which detention center the petitioner is presently located and from which date.
with wall
This
pass,
next
Lordship.
week, next item.
Item 11 for admission.
Obliged.
Next.
May please, your lordship. Alert,
Yes,
66 voter list at page 27. Father's name, father and mother.
Page number, Maziruddin, who is the
Page
father?
27. Father is Abdul Goni, mother is Tosirun Nessa at page 27. Sonahara village.
Mr. Sharma, we are finding it very difficulty. That statements are varied during the course of the hearing. Mr. Sigda, please take note of.
Right.
Why don't you come prepared, give us the correct facts at the first instance?
Right.
So that our orders are right. And your incorrect facts and oscillating from one stand to other will result in an adjournment of the matter, so that you prepare yourself and come and tell us the correct facts.
Right.
Because if it is Golpara, we have to pass a different kind of order. If it is Bongaigaon, the order will be different. It is not in detention, it will be the third kind of order. But if you are not giving us the correct facts, what kind of order should be passed?
Yes, my lord. Come prepare.
Please tell everyone that at least prepare your facts correctly, so that our orders are not wrong again. Yes, so who is the father?
Father Abdul Goni at page 27, my lord. 66 voter list,
Page 27.
27. Barnacular at page 28. So, Abdul Goni, father, Tosirun Nessa,
Son
mother,
of Ibrahim Abdul Goni, 1966, village,
village Sonahara.
Sonahara. So which document will show
My lord,
that Maziruddin is the son of Abdul
Possibly
Goni?
he's not voter with his father, but in the same village he is voter, my lord. Page 33,
Page 3,
33,
32,
33.
33.
Barnacular at 34.
Hmm.
Father's name is shown against him, my lord.
This is of 1985.
85
Abdul Goni died in the meantime.
and
Oh.
died. Maziruddin is the proceeding and Joinal Abdin his elder brother.
Joinal Abedin is
Elder brother.
elder brother.
But the
And
proceeding
that page 32 is the vernacular of
1975
1975.
voter list.
What does it say?
My lord, parents are voter. The same village. Abdul Goni and Tosirun Nessa.
Serial number?
Serial number 9.
Serial number.
Serial number 9. Sorry, serial number 7. 7 and 8. House number
Sobiran Nessa. Page 32, serial 7 is Sobiran Nessa.
serial 7 is Abdul Goni. Serial 8 Tosirun Nessa.
Where are you reading?
My lord. I'm reading
I'm
in
at page number 32, I'm asking.
my lord. Yes, my lord.
Mhm.
Lordship will find
Mhm.
serial number. The house number 9, my lord.
A house number is,
Serial number is not clear, my lord. That is
Okay,
fact.
house
But
number
is
9.
clear, my lord.
serial number, it must
My lord,
be,
it's clear, not clear. I could not,
it must be
my lord, something different, my lord.
30 something.
My lord. But serial number is 9, my lord.
9,
House number is 9.
Abdul Goni.
Abdul Goni,
Abdul Goni,
Tosirun Nessa.
son of Ibrahim.
Yes,
And Tosirun Nessa is the wife.
yes, my lord.
What about the others?
Others are not
The
recorded.
Joinal and Maziruddin?
No, they are not recorded, my lord. The journal ought to have been in the 75 voter
What
list,
about Tosirun? She also died.
my lord.
Both the parents died.
My lord died.
Death certificate?
My lord, that certificate is not furnished to us, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, here in this case, my lord,
Now, how do you
Uh,
know it? They have died or
my
they
lord,
have not
the
died?
tribunal has disbelieved everything because the proceeding has examined his son instead of his brother or any other elderly person of the locality.
As a father examining, making the son a witness that he is a citizen.
My lord.
Very well.
Therefore, the tribunal has rightly disbelieved, my lord. So, my lord, here in this case, my lord, the petitioner may be given opportunity to examine his elder brother and any other person.
Opportunities are not free of cost. Opportunities has to be supported by a reason in our order.
My lord.
So you give us some material which will indicate, we'll definitely pass.
My
the
lord,
order.
the 85 voter list, his
25 is
his name is recorded,
village
showing his
Sonahara.
father's name against him, my lord.
Okay.
85 voter list, page 33. Vernacular is also there. in the same village, my lord.
Petitioner is Majiruddin.
Maziruddin.
The superintendent of police border Golpara to make a verification and submit a report before the court as to whether Majiruddin, son of Abdul Ghani, and Abdul Ghani, whether Abdul Ghani being the father of Majiruddin as per the voters list of 1985 of village Sonahara, and Abdul Ghani, son of Ibrahim, as per the voters list of 1975 of village Sonahara, as well as Abdul Ghani, son of Ibrahim Sheikh, of the voters list of 1970 of village Sonahara are one and the same person. Report be submitted 1 week. A
10
report
days,
be
10 days.
submitted before the next returnable date, just after.
Deep lovely.
Possibly it is here. You just to help us for writing our order, or even some more material.
Item 12,
Item 12, yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Mm.
Father of the petitioner
Seat
is,
Ali, yes,
father of the petitioner is Sebar Ali Sheikh,
page number.
page 28, lordship, voters list of 1970, lordship.
Sabed Ali Sheikh,
Yes, lordship.
son of Ahiruddin,
Yes,
is
lordship.
the father.
And this
Is
is
he
the
the father or
of the
grandfather?
petitioner.
Father.
And village is
1959.
Rotiado.
Village is Hasanir Chor,
No, page 28A, lordship.
28.
A is the vernacular of voters list of 1970.
Then what is page 27 then?
1959 of the grandfather.
Okay, anyway, Saver Ali, son of Ahiruddin.
Yeah.
Village is Pub Rotiadoha.
Yes,
And now the petitioner is
petitioner
Rashid
is
Ali. Which
Rashid Ali.
document will show? Is son of-
Page 30A, lordship,
30.
30A. Fourth from top, 164 serial number
This
is the father,
third MSD Ghosh Land Council.
Rashid Ali,
Land Council of Action.
166.
Deletion, I think it can be a few items.
And
The-
village is
The
same.
petitioner Rashid Ali alias Rashid Ali Sheikh alias Rashid Ali. If we have three names, we will not doubt that the person is from Bangladesh.
Again, I'll say it's phonetics, lordship, Rashid. So, and
No, a person moving around with three different names, naturally everyone will suspect that there is something wrong with this man. Was referred to the foreigners tribunal number,
foreigners terminal number 8, Dhubri, lordship,
page number.
page
of the
number,
order.
lordship, page
35.
12, page 12, lordship.
Page 12 is the order.
Order is at page 12, lordship. Annexure 1. Date of
Was
order.
referred to the foreigners tribunal number 8 Dhubri for rendering an opinion as to whether he is a person who entered the state of Assam on or after 25/3/1971, resulting in registration of FT case number 8/153/GKI/2015, which was earlier registered as FT case number 4030/GK.
J,
I know,
J, lordship.
Golokganj.
Golokganj.
Stroke 2011. with further reference to IMDT case number 328/1998, the tribunal rendered an opinion dated 29/9/2016 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner. Being aggrieved, this writ petition is instituted. In the writ proceeding, the petitioner relies on the voters list of 1970 of village Pup Rotia Doha. In the Dhubri district, which contains the name of Sevar Ali Sheikh, son of Aheruddin, at serial number, you could not read it,
Serial number.
at serial number so and so.
I'll check and I'll,
Mhm.
because it will be original is there in the.
The
record.
petitioner also relies on the voters list of
2000 Lordship, this is of 2009,
2009
yes.
of
Who brought-
village Pup Rotia Doha, which contains the name of Sevar Ali Sheikh, son of Aher Ali at serial 164, and that of Rasid Ali Sheikh, son of Sevar Ali Sheikh at serial 166, and both are shown to be residing in the same house number 48. Accordingly, the petitioner claims that the burden under Section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946 had been discharged, that he is a citizen. But next para, but certain questions would arise as to whether Sevar Ali Sheikh, son of Aher Sheikh of 1970 voters list of village Pup Rotia Doha, and Aher Ali being the father of Sevar Ali Sheikh of the 2009 voters list of village Pup Rotia Doha are one and the same person. If the answer would be that they are one and the same person, comma, the petitioner may have established that he is a citizen, inasmuch as his name appears along with Sevar Ali Sheikh, son of Aher Ali, in the voters list of 2009 of village Rotia Doha. To make an appropriate determination, matter remanded back to the tribunal to examine as to whether the voters list of 1970 of village Pup Rotia Doha containing a name of Sevar Ali Sheikh, son of Aher Ali, and the voters list of 2009 also village Pup Rotia Doha containing the name of Sevar Ali Sheikh, son of Aher Ali, and Rasid Ali Sheikh, son of Sevar Ali Sheikh in the same voters list establishes that the petitioner is a citizen of India. The respondents in the Home Department of the Government of Assam may also make their verification and their own verification on the authenticity of the aforesaid information, as well as to whether Rashid Ali Sheikh of the voters list of 2009 of Pup Rotia Doha and the petitioner Prosidi Rashid Ali are one and the same person. Upon doing that, needful reason order be passed.
Lordship, serial number 114
114,
of 1970 voters list 114.
1970.
Deeply obliged.
Item 13.
Lordship, kindly see the last order.
Yes, have you produced?
Yes, Lordship, we have filed additional affidavit. Lordship.
You filed additional affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Which page?
Page 71 of my affidavit.
Page 71.
One. Found it, Lordship.
This is of which village? Ghor. Gaon Nam, Kundorpara, Tritiya Khanda.
Same. And Lordship,
Number 19. This is of which year?
85.
1985. Which name you are relying on?
Is Lordship on the same house number 110, Lordship, right hand side bottom.
108.
10.
110.
Abdul Haq.
Page number?
Same case, page 71.
There is no 110. It starts from 271 and ends at 360.
No, it's a house number, 110. Serial number 359, right hand side.
House number. No, we want the serial number in the voters list,
Yes, Lord.
not house number.
359, Lord.
359.
Okay. The right hand side.
And that Haji Abdul Haq, that
Yes,
one.
Lordship. My
Who
father.
is son of Pasimuddin.
Yes, my father.
He is the father.
Yes, and Jabeda Khatun to be my mother.
Jabeda Khatun is the mother. Very well.
And
Which document will show you are
Lordship,
the
next page,
son of
Lordship.
Abdul?
Next page,
uh,
361, my elder brother.
elder brother. And who is the petitioner?
Sister-in-law, and I am 363.
Abdul Hassan.
Yes, Lordship. 363.
363. Abdul Hassan son of Abdul. He is the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. And 366, my
Then let it
grandmother.
be. Now, which document will show Abdul Haq is a citizen?
Page 36 of my petition.
Page 36. Possibly. Yes,
Now-
Mr. Sharma.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Sarkar. Heard Mr. Complete name. A.T. Sir, I heard Mr. A.T. Sarkar and counsel for the petitioner also. Heard. The petitioner Abdul Hassan Mia had been referred to the. Where is the order of the foreign tribunal?
Yes, 55.
Had been referred to the foreign tribunal number 2 Dhubri for rendering an opinion as to whether he is the person who entered the state of Assam from the specified territory on or after 25/3/1971, resulting in registration of FT case number 138/F/16. The tribunal rendered an opinion dated 26/11/2018 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner. Being aggrieved, the writ petition is instituted in the writ proceeding. The petitioner, where is that 19, that voters list of Abdul Hazi?
Yes. Page
Hal-
36.
36. The petitioner relies on the relies upon the voters list of (1966) of village Pundarpara Part 3 Police Station, South Salmara, in the present South Salmara Mankachar district, which contains the name of Haji Abdul Haq, son of Osimuddin, at serial 126. The petitioner also relies upon the voters list of 1985 of village Pundarpara Part 3, which contains the name of Haji Abdul Haq, son of Osimuddin, at serial 359, and that of Abdul Hassan, son of Abdul Haq, at serial 363. The petitioner claims that Abdul Hassan of serial 363 of the voters list of 1985 of village Hundorpara Part 3 is the petitioner himself, and that Haji Abdul Haq, son of Osimuddin of serial 359, is in fact Haji Abdul Haq, son of Osimuddin, at serial 126 of the voters list of 1966 of village Hundorpara Part 3. In view of the above, matter remanded back to the tribunal to examine as to whether Haji Abdul Haq, son of Osimuddin of serial 126 of the voters list of village Hundorpara Part 3 in the South Salmara Mankachar district, and Haji Abdul Haq, son of Osimuddin of serial 359 of the voters list of 1985 of village Hundorpara Part 3 are one and the same person. Good stop. The Home Department in the government of the Home Department in the government of Assam may also make the verification on the correctness of the aforesaid information as well as on the authenticity of the voters list that have been relied upon. The tribunal to also make an inquiry as to whether Abdul Hassan, son of Abdul Haq, at serial 363 of the voters list of 1985 of village Hundarpara part 3 and the writ petitioner Abdul Hassan Mia are one and the same person. Upon doing the needful, the reason order be passed.
Item 14,
Minoti Roy. What happened to Minoti Roy? Well, this is a,
The different case, my lord.
it's not those foreigners. Health department is to produce AM Sharma, the complete medical report. You have that medical
Yes,
report.
yes. That's original.
What does it say?
This soft injury, they say, soft injury,
Soft tissue injury.
soft tissue injury, yes. Lordship may have a look.
And on which date the petitioner was admitted in the hospital? I think third of April or the 3rd of May, something like that.
Date of admission 5/3/2016,
5/3/2016.
8:30 AM.
And on which date he was taken into custody on 5/25/2. According to Madam Bhattacharjee, police took him to custody on 25/2
25.
and he says 29/2. But admitted position, he was in custody.
Not custody, lordship.
He was taken
for only questioning. He was released on the same day, lordship. I have the original.
Madam Bhattacharjee, police had different methods of questioning.
No custody.
When somebody is taken for questioning, police have 100 different methods of questioning. So it depends on in which method you adopted. And this is what we are trying to inquire into. One method is you'll be in a very loving manner, you'll put a few questions to the person and ask him, yes, please go.
Yes.
If necessary, you will drop him at his residence also. The other extreme will be, we all know. So now we are required to inquire which method was used, which also resulted in some soft tissue injuries.
Yes.
And mind you, if it is an injury of a different nature, we can also understand that the man, after being released by the police, must have picked up a fight with somebody on the road, got beaten up. This may have happened, that may have happened. But tell me, even if a boy picks up a fight with someone in the road, who is going to cause soft tissue injury to him? Because soft tissue injury is a very, very specialized way of beating, which ordinarily does not happen in the roads or in the streets. If you say somebody got injured by some stone throwing, we understand somebody may have thrown a stone. If it is beaten up, the face appears to be some injury mark, maybe fisticuffs or something, or if there are blows on the back, maybe a lathi, etc. But soft tissue injury can be inflicted only in a very, very specialized way, not otherwise. For that, you will have to have the man with you for some time to cause whosoever done it, may not police. Till now, we are not saying it is the police. Whosoever has caused a soft tissue injury must have this person for at least some period of time in their custody. If you want to break somebody's teeth with a blow, you need only 1 second. A man in front, give him a nice blow, you can cause injury in his jaws. If you want to hit somebody with a stick, you need a few more seconds. You have to give one blow with a stick. But to cause soft tissue injury, you must have that man in your custody for at least over a period of time. So we are asking the question, where did this boy pick up that soft tissue injury? Don't tell us, sir, we don't know. Because now we feel the burden is on you to explain where he got a soft tissue injury.
Lordship,
Fine. As you are a police,
Lordship,
we are giving you 1 week time. You make a inquiry and find out and tell us
Lord.
where this boy had got this soft tissue injury, if not by the police.
okay, Lordship.
And soft tissue, how it is
Yes,
achieved.
Lordship, without involving the.
No,
that
not
means-
without with involving everything.
No, Lordship, that means without injuring that had the bone, Lordship, this is soft tissue. injury.
Soft tissue injury is something totally different. The injury takes place inside your skin. The cells, they get decomposed. Understood? On surface, there may not be anything. And this can be caused only one method, one of the methods, not one method. You wrap a person with a wet sack or a blanket, give some blows with a blunt weapon on his body. There will not be a single mark, but the tissues inside the body will be, cells will be injured. So that's why I said you need a particular period of time to have the person in your custody, whosoever has inflicted this injury, to inflict injuries of this nature.
But if it is, he has injured himself somewhere outside because he already.
So the
Yes.
boy,
Yes, Lordship.
you are asking us to believe with your submission. Madam
Lordship.
Bacharji, be careful with
No,
your
Lordship,
statements.
I shall definitely.
We
bring what
are
Lordship has
taking
actually-
note of each and every word you are saying. So you mean to say that this boy got himself wrapped with a wet blanket or a sack, requested somebody to beat him up, or he himself has beaten him up? So
Lordship.
this is a suggestion coming from the police. We'll order inquiry by some higher authority, if that is the statement you are.
No,
using us.
I'm just for Lordship only, I'm just telling Lordship, this is not, whatever Lordship is directing us, Lordship, we will definitely carry Lordship.
But
I am just
what kind of direction you want? to carry
Lordship
out?
is already directed to giving me 1 week. time
No,
to
after
get
this
into-
statement, we are losing confidence in the report that will
Lordship-
be coming. So therefore, naturally, some independent authority has to make the inquiry. When the boy might have got injured himself and caused soft tissue injury to him, this is the version of the police, then we'll have to
Lordship,
order somebody else.
my,
Understand?
actually, I was not I may not be able to convey your Lordship. I am just.
What you are trying to
telling-
convey, please tell us then. You please convey whatever you were trying to convey.
Lordship, just not relating to this case, Lordship. I also happen to some 2-3 occasions.
We are on this
I-
case.
Lordship,
We are not on 2-3 cases. We are only in
No,
one
no.
case. Thanks
I-
for this. case.
hurt myself. I am telling from myself, Lordship, because I got stuck with a table, Lordship, and injured myself here in my thigh, Lordship. So this was also a soft tissue because for 7-8 days,
Let
Lordship,
us
I
look
could
at the
not.
medical report where there are soft tissue injuries. Then we'll compare with the injuries with your leg. Madam Bacharji, certain things are writ apparent.
Everything is written in forwarding letter, Lordship.
Which page? Here.
Front page. The original letter to our permission of the photocopy given by-
Hmm.
Oh. No, I couldn't. Forwarding letter to the.
How many injuries you have in your leg?
Lordship,
Your soft tissue injury, how many injuries are there in your leg? When you injured
Lordship,
yourself?
I,
How many?
I had Lordship.
How
I had-
many? Number?
It was a number of occasions, Lordship.
None occasions. This particular injury, how many injuries are there?
Oh, it lasts for around
Not,
Lordship.
not time. How many injuries? One injury and how many different,
Lordship.
how many different spots on your body the injury occurred?
Till now, Lordship, I have one because on last I could
On
not.
one.
Yes.
Here there are at least few in one go. I understand somebody may have tripped, must have fallen down, got some soft tissue.
Lordship.
That will be only one injury. If you fall on your face, there will be injury in the face. If you fall on your elbow, it will be on your elbow.
Lordship.
But all over the body, it will not appear unless it is externally inflicted. Five injuries are there. What do you want to do? You want to, if you want to contest, we'll have to cause an inquiry. And we'll
Yes,
decide.
Lordship may direct Lordship.
And if you accept it, maybe we'll ask you to give something to this.
We are not accepting Lordship because we already have stated in our affidavit Lordship, because we are disputing, because he was discharged on 25th Lordship. And he was handed over to his father after a medical examination. And from the record Lordship, whatever I have seen Lordship, the 5th, the person was admitted Lordship after 10 days, 11 days.
Very good.
And you show us your complete original detail.
Affidavit. Yes,
Do you have your original GD entry?
yes, Lordship.
So according to you, he was arrested. According to you, he was arrested on 25,
He was picked up for,
whatever it
yes,
is,
Lordship,
picked up. He picked up on 25.
20.
At what time? At what time?
Lordship, in our affidavit, we have stated on 26/16, Lordship, at about 10 AM,
On 25 to.
26 to 25 to, he was picked up, Lordship.
No,
At
no,
what-
we are asking what time he was picked up. 25 to at what time?
Lordship, time is not given here, because I am reading from my affidavit, Lordship.
The
Is stating
affidavit is
the
based on records, I think.
They have said at 8:30.
Then to release. पेटो लिखना नहीं, बस तो लिखना नहीं।
What's the name of this boy? What is the name of this boy?
Sandeep Sharan Rai.
Sanjeev Saran Rai.
Sandeep Sharan Rai.
Seven to আমার লাগে। না, seven to police officer মানে OC himself. I just don't know. Private. Yes, seven is represented by.
It was 26.
And represented by.
28.
Who filed this affidavit? Filed by whom? Nine? No, no. Because you have been named my party.
Yeah. Number. Right.
No, no, yes, this would be directly discussed with the answer.
No, no, it is 26 of holiday. 26.
Last week, I had admission.
More than like dispute. ইমান দিন পিছত কিয় কৈছে additional activity?
I believe. Is it the same? What was the data that you are saying?
Nothing on record. That 29 is. 29 or 30 or eight, no medical volume, first time. No medical document and service size of over first time to para. Service size of first time the medical name is none of it is clarified for this.
For how long this boy was kept in the police custody?
Lordship, as per our affidavit, Lordship, he was picked up on 25 to 16 and 26 to 16.
Yeah,
Lord-
25 to at what time?
Lordship, that's the time I have to take instruction.
No, as
Lordship.
per your affidavit, what time?
Affidavit, no time is mentioned here, Lordship, that's why. On 26 to 10 AM, he
No, you
was
can
handed
mention
over to
time.
his father, Lordship.
Come to page 2 of your affidavit, para 4.
Yes, Lordship.
Time is mentioned at about 8:30 PM.
That is by respondent number 7.
Lordship,
There is a response.
I don't have the respondent number 7 affidavit with me, Lord.
Who is respondent number 7?
He has been named personally, Lordship, OC.
OC.
Yes, Lordship, he has been named personally.
Who represents the,
That's why, Lordship, I'm also asking him who is representing respondent number 7.
the respondent number 7, officer in charge of, the then officer in charge of what police station?
Vidyapur Police Outpost, my lord.
Sorry,
Vidyapur Police Outpost.
Vidyapur Police Outpost of which place? Means which district? Of Kokrajhar,
Bohanga district.
to remain present before the court on, it was the Monday, no?
At the time of filing the writ petition, my lord, he was working as.
No, wherever he was, wherever he is, to remain personally present before the court on, namely Deepak Saikia, to remain personally present. Wednesday, Wednesday, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, Lordship.
Even by name or same. Have you implicated him by name?
By name.
Yes, Lordship, he has been implicated by name, Lordship.
Let him remain present.
Lordship, I have to inform these. Lordship.
The general case diary of produced before the court be kept in the custody of the court master.
Lordship.
In the custody, to be handed over to the court master for being kept in the custody of the registry. The medical report produced by the in charge superintendent of Bongaigaon Civil Hospital be also accordingly kept. List day after tomorrow.
Lordship.
We'll ask the police directly.
Yes, Lordship.
No, sir. Item 15,
Maybe lordship. Father's name is Fazal Haq, my lord, page 19.
Page 19. Fazal Haq, father,
Haq, my
yes. And which document show is the father?
Page 29, my lord.
29.
Nusiron Deva is my mother, my lord. And secondly, Tosher Ali. And Nusiron and father's name appeared in total.
Sorry, Fazal Haq. And petitioner is Tosher.
Tosher Ali.
Mother is Nosiran, 2020.
Name of Nusiron and father, my lord, appeared in Total 79, my lord. That is page 23, my lord. Page 23, my lord. Mother's name and father's name appeared in the local.
Page 23.
Page 23.
So Sharma, let it go back.
Yes, sir.
We heard Mr.
Yes, sir.
H. Ahmed, then counsel for the petitioner. H. R. Ahmed also heard this. The petitioner, Tausir Ali, had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number
Page 57, my lord.
Tribunal number 2, Kamrup Metro at Guwahati, for rendering opinion as to whether he is a person who entered the state of same thing. Resulting in registration of FT case number 72/2017, the tribunal passed an order dated 2/7/2018 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner, being aggrieved that the petition is instituted. In the writ proceeding, the petitioner relies on the voters list of 1966 of village Takimari grazing reserve, grassing or grazing?
Yes, page
Grazing
24 is the
or grassing to এখন নাই?
grazing, my lord.
A grazing reserve under police station Lokhipur in the Gwalpara district, which contains the name of Fazal Haq, son of Baniz Ali at serial 845. Reliance is also placed in the voters list of page 24.
20, yes, my lord.
Mhm.
24, my lord.
In the voters, also in the voters list of 1979 of village Takimari Grazing Reserve, which contains the name of Fazal Haq, son of Baniz at serial 1488, and that of Nasiran Nesa, wife of Fazal at serial 1489. Petitioner thereupon relies on the voters list of 2010 of village Takimari Grazing Reserve, which contains the name of Nasiran Bewa, wife of Fazal Haq at serial 161, and that of Tausir Ali, son of Fazal Haq at serial 162, and both are shown to be residing at the same house number 53. Accordingly, the petitioner claims that the burden under section 9 of the Foreigners Act had been discharged to show that the petitioner is a citizen. In the circumstance, referred the matter referred back to the tribunal to examine the voters list of 1966 of village Takimari Grazing Reserve, containing the name of Fazal Haq, son of Baniz Ali at serial 845, and that of the year 1979 of Takimari Grazing Reserve, containing the name of Fazal Haq, son of Baniz, and Nasiran Nesa, wife of Baniz, where both are shown to be residing in the same house, and also the voters list of 2010 of village Takimari Grazing Reserve, containing the name of Nasiran Bewa, wife of Fazal Haq, and Tausir Ali, son of Fazal Haq, and where both are shown to be residing in the same house number 53. Upon doing the needful, the tribunal to pass a reasoned order, it is explained that Nasiran Nesa of the 1970 voters list, upon her death of her husband, writes her name as Nasiran Bewa, as reflected in the voters list of 2010. Full stop. The respondents in the Home Department to make the verification on the authenticity of the information contained in their aforesaid 3 voters list, as well as to whether Tausir Ali of the voters list of 2010 of village Takimari Grazing Reserve and the writ petitioner Tausir Ali are one and the same person.
We can also file review, my lord, that was also rejected in the tribunal, my lord.
It stated that the petitioner had filed a review petition before the tribunal, which was rejected.
Item 16 for hearing.
Jamala Arya. Yes, Jamala Arya.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, it's an ex parte order, lordship.
How much will you pay?
Lordship, I am being appointed as an
Person is a
amicus,
poor person.
amicus on as per order dated 14/3/2023, lordship.
Ask her to go and work somewhere for some time,
Yes.
collect some
lordship.
money and pay some cost.
Yes, yes, she will pay. Just only minimum.
We are giving a little longer time. Ask her to work somewhere a little. What is the age of this person?
She is an old old aged lady because I had sent her notice thereafter she came and met me. She's an old aged lady, Lordship. And as per the affidavit. let me
No,
check.
how to compel her appearance and continuation in
He
this
was
manner?
65 in
Understand, if
2017.
some, a little bit of
Yes.
punitive element is not there,
Yes, Lord.
this person will take it for granted. Yes, this time also I'll behave the same way. Again, I'll go appoint a request for an abacus. This will go on repeating. So unless a bit of pinch is
Yes,
there,
Lordship. Oh,
and the person may not understand that you are required to go to the tribunal and prove your case as per law.
yes, she has submitted her written statement.
Okay, 1,000.
Yes, Lordship.
Let her collect the money from
Yes,
her.
Lordship.
And you don't pay.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Case with 2008 to 11. 67.
Huh?
What happened to her husband? Died in the meantime.
Yes,
Because this is a reference, it started in the year 1987.
yes, Lordship.
So 40 years have gone by like this.
Yes, Lordship. At present, she is now 70 years old, but how much we
So
will
had
pay for now?
she behaved in a proper manner 40 years back, she would have been 30 at that age, instead of trying to
Understood.
just avoid the system. She should ought to have cooperated with the system. That time she was young. Only now it is 70.
Yes, Lordship.
So your own deed when you were young and able to do everything, you have deferred it to your old age, and now it's up to you how you tackle it.
Yes, she will pay that amount, 1,000.
If
Sure,
you
sir.
expert you to do 1,000 DLSA. Which place? This
This is Bongaigaon, Lordship.
DLSA Bongaigaon. Ase na, same thing.
Item 17.
Deep blue line.
Yes,
Yes, please,
Mr.
Your Lordship.
Siddharth, 70,
My lord, father's name Lordship will find at page 26 in 1965 total.
page number
Is
26.
26. Vernacular at 27. Hasmat Ali is the father. Hasmat.
Hasmat. Hasmat.
Yes, ma'am.
Hasmat or Hasmat?
My lord, Hasmat. H-A.
So both of them are there. Asmat is also there, Hasmat is also there. So who is the father?
Vernacular will be better to
Hmm.
27. Hasmat.
27. Barnacle also very clear. Asmat Ali is also there, Hasmat Ali is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Asmat
Asmat-
is son
Asmat
of
is not.
Sabu and Hasmat is son of
He is also son of Sabu. Asmat is brother, elder brother.
Hasmat
Hasmat.
is elder brother of Hasmat.
Hasmat.
So
Rustam-
Hasmat is the father.
Father.
Which document will show
My lord,
that
85
Samshed
total
is the
list,
son of Hasmat?
Lordship will find in page 44, my lord.
44.
Same village, father's name is there, mother's name is there, brothers are also there. Some of the brothers, not all. Samshar is my lord at the serial number 655. He was 24 years at that time.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Yes.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Remanding method,
Let me stay here, Sridhar. The petitioner, Samsher Ali, alias Samsher Ali, had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number 5, Morigaon, for rendering opinion as to whether the person who entered the state of Assam on or after so and so, resulting in registration of FTB case number so and so, new number corresponding to FTD, give a old number, page 48. The tribunal rendered an opinion dated 28/2/2017 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner, being aggrieved as said petition is instituted in the writ proceeding. The petitioner relies upon the voters list of 1965 of village Hogunbahi.
Hogunbahi.
Police station Lahori Ghat,
Lahori Ghat.
Moirabari in the Nagaur district, which contains the name of Hasmat, son of Sabu at serial 140. The full stop, and claims that Hasmat of the voters 1965 is his father. Petitioner also relies on the voters list of which is the of 1985 of village Hogunbahi, which contains the name of Hasmat Ali, son of Sadhu Bhuya at serial 650, and that of Samsir, son of Hasmat Ali at serial 655. According to the petitioner claim, the burden has been discharged. Full stop. Circumstance, remand back to enable them to examine the voters list of 1965 of and 1985 of village Hogunbahi, where the list of 65 contains the name of Hasmat Ali, son of Sabu, and the list of 1985 contains the name of Hasmat Ali, son of Sadhu Bhuya, and Samsher, son of Hasmat Ali in the same voters list. And therefore, passage respondents to make an inquiry on the authenticity and as well as whether Samsher, son of Hasmat Ali of the 85 voters list, and Samsher Ali, the writ petition procedure are one same person.
My lord, if the petitioner desired to this further evidence.
Sorry.
If the petitioner desired to adduce some more.
The petitioner would be at liberty to adduce any further evidence as may be advised, and responding Home Department may also make their own verification and submit report before the tribunal.
Deeply obliged.
Item 18.
Yes, Madam Ghosh. Abruza Begum,
Yes.
Afruza Bibi.
Yes,
So
sir.
she is Bibi or Begum?
She is Begum Lordship.
Not Bibi.
In school certificate, after marriage, she is she is writing as BB, but before that, in her school certificate and all is Afruza Begum.
Okay, who is the father?
Father is Abu Bakr Ali
Page
Lordship,
number?
alias Abu Bakr Sheikh, page number 51, 1997 voters list Lordship.
51, 1990. Abu Bakr Sheikh.
Abu Bakr Sheikh. Son
Later,
of Qasim.
later on becomes Ali or he remains a Sheikh?
He is actually Abu Bakr Ali. But
No,
it's-
normally what we have found,
yes,
the Sheikhs at a subsequent date, they become Ali.
he is
Okay,
Abu
anyway,
Bakr Ali.
and where is the next one?
This is of 1997 Lordship.
Okay,
And
1997.
yes, son of Qasim Lordship.
Okay, fine.
And Qasim is there in the voters list of 1966 and 1970.
1970 base 54,
Yes, Lordship.
Right.
And same village Lordship.
same village.
Yes,
Village, the Moru Holmari.
Yes, Lordship.
Moru Holmari.
And even one land document is there, Rayati Khatian, which is not annexed along.
Now, which document will show
Yes, Lordship.
that Abruza is the daughter of
Page,
Abu Bakr?
page 57.
Page 57. The headmaster examined.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
Yes, Lordship.
Put it in. Heard MSD Ghosh, Land Council for the petitioner, also heard. The petitioner Afruza Begum, alias Afruza Bibi, had been referred to the foreigners tribunal number,
For number 6, Bilasipara.
page number.
Dhubri. Page number Lordship of impugned order is page number 14 Lordship.
14.
Yes, Lordship. 14M Lordship, it will be 14M. Annexure one.
Where is the person who entered in the, and so resulting in this case number FT6 Dhubri case number 10/2018. The tribunal rendered an opinion dated 26/2018 declaring the petitioner to be foreigner in the writ proceeding before the court. The petition refers to the. Why everything is put in the opposite way? First you give the order, then you give the voters list of 1997, then you give the voters list of 1966.
Next time onwards, we won't.
No, don't do it as per your. We're just asking you.
Now, we follow is first the impugn order. Then recently, whatever I'm filing is impugn order, then written statement, then all the evidences, then the documents.
Yes, refers to the voters list of 1966 of village Mutuholmari, part 2. Police station Dhubri village. There is a Dhubri village also. No, police station Dhubri in the Dhubri district, which contains the name of Qasim Ali, son of Tarif at serial 441, as well as the voters list of 1979 of village Mutuholmari, part 2, containing the name of Abu Bakr Sheikh, son of Qasim at serial 885, and that of Monowara Bibi at serial 885. Serial 886.
885 is the house number.
What's the house number? 772 or 773. Petitioner claims that Abu Bakr Sheikh of the voters list of 1997 of village Mutuholmari, part 2 is a father. To substantiate the same, reliance is placed upon a school certificate issued by the superintendent Madinatul Ulum High Madrasa of Gauripur, Assam, which contains the information that Afruza Begum is the daughter of Abu Bakr Ali of village Mutuholmari, part 2, as well as
Kabin Nama also is there, Lordship.
as well as a Kabin Nama of a marriage, which contains the information that Afruza Begum is the daughter of Abu Bakr Sheikh of village Maloti Thana.
No, Maloti Thana. Post office Mutuholmari.
Post office.
Mutuholmari.
In villages, one post office has jurisdiction over.
Maloti Thana, yes, Lordship. And but her panchayat certificate also is there, Lordship. With page 19, which state Mutuholmari.
Also there, which it naam likhe the dibo. Matter remanded back to enable the petitioner to examine the headmaster of the examine. Where is it?
It's in the record, Lordship.
What does she say?
Only in the record, it was written as Sheikh, Abu Bakr Sheikh. But in
Let it remain. What does he say? The headmaster, what does he say in his evidence?
The headmaster has not brought the school register, my lord.
Huh?
Headmaster has not brought the school register.
it's there, in the record, it's there. I have checked it. It's there.
But in order, it was.
But it's there. I have checked the
Mr.
record.
Sharma, they're not happy with the order there before this court.
Yes, yes.
How can you refer to the order and say that you did this or you did not do that?
It is there because I was checking the records. It's there.
Just
in the-
tell us what he said.
I'll read out the evidence. Please bring it. I'll read out the evidence. No, we have to, whatever he has said directly evidence. Najrul Haq. I have been working as headmaster within bracket superintendent of so and so come High Madrasa, Gauripur. Exhibit A is a school certificate issued by me in the name of Afruja Begum, daughter of Abu Bakr Ali of village Modhu Solmari, part 2 of Gauripur. There is not any official record in connection with admission of the proceeding, which has been called for by the SEBA, and I have sent the admission register to the SEBA authority. There is no any letter regarding call for the sending of the admission register to SEBA. This much he had stated.
And his evidence is of no use.
And thereafter, Lordship,
Mhm.
and thereafter I have,
But he says the school register is sent to the SEBA.
yes, it has sent.
Get it back from the SEBA and produce it.
And it has sent to the, I'll just flag mark. her
Because
name
SEBA
is-
will not retain it forever.
Yes, sir.
SEBA wants it only to verify their own information.
And SEBA has sent the record to the tribunal. This flag marker. This SEBA, from SEBA authority secretary.
Original record.
Yes, yes, not original.
No, we
copy
want the
of that.
original admission register. That's
Yes,
all.
Lordship.
Although the headmaster, he is superintendent of Hey Madrasa, he had been examined, but it is noticed from his evidence as DW
DW 2,
2,
DW 3,
DW 3, that the original admission register of the school had not been produced. In the second, remanded back to the tribunal to enable the DW 3 to adduce further evidence based upon the original school admission register, which may contain the information that the petitioner Afruza Begum is the daughter of Abu Bakr Ali of village Modhu Solmari. It is also noticed that in the voters list of 1970, of 97,
97.
the name is shown as Abu Bakr Sheikh, whereas in the school certificate, it is Abu Bakr Ali. The respondents in the Home Department may make their own inquiry whether Abu Bakr Sheikh and Abu Bakr Ali of Modhu Solmari village are one and the same person, and submit a report. Petitioner may also adduce any further evidence is so advised upon doing the needful reason.
Item 19.
May I please your lordship? My lord,
Yes,
father of the.
Kamala
petition-
Khatun, page
Yes,
number,
father of the petitioner is Hamed Khan
page number.
and voters list of 1970, page 43, lordship. Page 43,
Hamid Khan,
Hamed Khan
son of Syed Khan,
and Soed
170 village Boroli.
Boroli.
Okay.
And 66 of Soyad Khan is there.
Mhm.
Same village,
60, page number
page number 41.
41. This time it is in the proper order. 41. Syed Khan, son of Marat Khan. Syed Khan is there in that 40.
Yes, so 66, then
Anyway,
70,
the petitioner is Kamala Khatun, which
49.
49. What is 47?
47 is the voters list.
Father is Hamid Khan.
Hamed Khan. Hamed Khan, alias Hamed Khan.
What did you say? Which document will show petition is the
Page
daughter of
49.
Hamid Khan? Page?
49,
School certificate.
no.
Forward
Gambura,
certificate. Gambura.
Gambura. And he has adduced evidence, lordship. Shorbesh Ali,
Which page?
page 36. And father also has adduced evidence. Page 36.
Just a minute.
Yes, Lord.
Father is Hamid Khan,
Yes, Lordship.
page 38.
38, and Gambura is page 36.
Boroligaon, and this voters star of
Boroligaon.
everything Boroligaon.
Yes, Lordship.
Boroli. Yes, Mr. Sharma, send it back. Did we have it? The rules like on to variation. Yes. Yes. Have you heard? It's okay. Heard this. The petitioner Kamala Khatun had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number
6, Borpeta,
6
Lordship.
Borpeta for rendering opinion as to whether she is a person who entered the state of Assam on or after
Page 16,
16.
impugn order.
2015-971, resulting in registration of FT 96/2016. Tribunal rendered an opinion dated 13/6/2018 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner, being aggrieved the state petition is instituted in the writ proceeding. The petitioner relies upon the voters list of 1966 of village Boroli,
Yes, Lordship.
which contains a name of Syed Khan, son of Marat at serial 32, and death of Jaiman Nessa, wife of Syed Khan at serial 33. Petitioner also refers to the voters list of 1970 of village Boroli, containing the name of Syed Khan, son of Marat Khan at serial 45, and death of Hamid Khan, son of Syed Khan at serial 47, where both are shown to be residing in the same house number 13. To establish that the petitioner is the daughter of Hamid Khan, son of Syed Khan, reliance is placed on a certificate issued by the Gambura of Aligaon, Sargaon, Palm, and Sargaon, by providing information that Kamala Khatun is the daughter of Hamid Khan of village Boroligaon. It is stated that Hamid Khan, son of what Khan? Son of Syed Khan of village Boroligaon, has also rendered evidence as DW
3.
wherein she had deposed that Kamala Khatun is his own daughter. In view of the above matter, remanded back to the tribunal to examine the voters list of 1966 and 1970 of village Boroli, which containing the name of Syed Khan, son of Marat, and Hamid Khan, son of Syed Khan, and also the evidence of Hamid Khan himself, wherein he states that Kamala Khatun is his daughter. The respondents may cross-examine DW2 or 3, Hamid Khan.
Hamid Khan is 3, Lordship.
DW3 Hamid Khan to extract the veracity of his evidence that Kamala Khatun is his daughter. For the purpose remanded back to the tribunal, the respondent Home Department may make their own verification on the authenticity of the evidence of Hamid Khan. The tribunal also to examine whether Kamala Khatun petitioner and last time not required. Pass a result.
Other witness also not cross-examined, Lordship.
Hmm?
Other witness also not cross-examined.
Because it's
You
not
pay-
the,
You pay a cost.
yes, Lordship, this is not the fault of these people.
You pay a
DW2
cost.
also was there.
You're only giving you one opportunity just so that your interest is protected, but you are not because of your behavior.
Yes, Lordship, mein pata hai.
Only for public interest we are giving this opportunity.
Any further documents,
A
material.
petitioner may also rely upon any further materials if so advised.
Item 20.
Yes, Mr. It is Nazir Hussain, who is the father?
Case 28.
He is 28. 66, village Motibag. Who is the father name?
Yashuddin Sheikh,
Yasuddin Sheikh is the father.
father.
And Nazir Hussain, which document it shows? Nazir Hussain
That
is
is case 33.
page 33.
This time my name, petitioner's father's and mother's name jointly appeared. in-
Sorry, father is
Yashuddin.
Yasuddin Sheikh,
Yes, Lord.
son of Jose Sheikh.
Yes.
And then petitioner is now Noor Nehar Bibi,
My
wife of Yasuddin.
Mother.
This is Motibag, 85.
Yes, Lord.
Okay,
Now, Lordship, case 34,
34.
1997. for the-
Motibag 97. Noor Nehar Bibi, yes, and Nazir.
This time.
Heard Mr. H.T. Sarkar and counsel for the petitioner also. The petitioners Nazir Hussain had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number. Page number.
19, Lordship, 21, Lordship,
21.
yes, 21.
Referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number 4, Dhubri, for rendering opinion as to whether he is a person who entered the state of Assam or after. Resulting in registration of FT-4/117/GPR/2018. The tribunal rendered an opinion dated 24/10/2019 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner. Before the writ proceeding, the petitioner relies upon the voters list of 1966 of village Motiabag containing the name of Foza Sheikh, son of Juru Sheikh at serial 02, and that of Ghiyasuddin Sheikh, son of Foza Sheikh at serial 04. It is claimed that Ghiyasuddin Sheikh is the father of the petitioner. Petitioner also relies upon the voters list of 1985 of village Motiabag containing the name of Ghiyasuddin, son of Foza Sheikh at serial 133, and that of Noor Nehar Bibi, wife of Ghiyasuddin at serial 134. And also the voters list of 1997 of village Motiabag, which contains the name of Noor Nehar Bibi, wife of Ghiyas at serial 1268, and that of Nazir Hussain, son of Ghiyas at serial 1270. It is stated that Noor Nehar Bibi is now writes her name as Noor Nehar. Noor Nehar Bibi herself, wife of Ghiyas. Accordingly, the petitioner claims that he had discharged the burden on the so-and-so. He went back to the tribunal to examine the voters list of 1966, 1985, and 1997 of village Motiabag and pass a reason order as to whether petitioner Nazir Hussain through Noor Nehar Bibi of the 1997 voters list has established that he is the son of Ghiyasuddin of the 1985 voters list, who again is the son of Foza Sheikh of the 1966 voters list of the same village Motiabag. They pass a reason order for the Home Department to make their own verification on the authenticity, and also whether Nazir Hussain of the 1997 voters list and petitioner Nazir Hussain are one and the same person.
Lordship, liberty may be given to them. Reduce any of that.
You have more information. You'll make a mess of your case. You have made out everything. Why do you want more information?
Obliged.
Again, you'll put in something, tribunal say this is in conflict with that one and reject everything. If you want, if the petition requires, further materials may also be produced. But that will be more to a detriment than to a help. Yeah, very clearly established, same village, the sequence is there. 21. 21.
Item 21.
21.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, petitioner is Subaid Ali. His father is Akin Ali, alias Akin Ali Munshi.
Page number
Page number 66.
66. What is 66?
66 is sorry, page number 62, voters list of 1966.
Page number?
Page number 62.
Subed Ali, 3-4. But your index is, last page is annexure 15, page 59.
Yes, Lordship.
Then how did you go to page 62?
Oh,
Subed Ali, WBC 7820.
Lordship,
347.
3470, Lordship.
Take the council. It was to. Just check out what is it.
Yes, Lordship. Because this is second round of litigation.
No, just check out what is
Yes.
that. Did you annex a whole writ petition some earlier?
Yes,
writ
yes, yes. Because this is the second round of writ petition.
So I must have gone through the second writ petition then.
No, it's there. Because this is one annexure, which is annexure.
The earlier writ petition is an annexure.
Yes, yes, yes. I got confused. What I got. Multiple.
But you annex one whole writ petition.
Because documents were there, so.
You annex the document. Get hold
first-
of the document and annex it. Why do you need a one whole writ petition? Anyway, page number.
Page
62.
number 62, Lordship. Akin Ali.
You can read. Akin Ali,
Yes,
Son of-
serial number
some
2625.
Sulek Sheikh or something like that.
Yes. Sheikh.
Gaon Supari,
Kopati Mari.
Kopati Mari. Okay, Nagaon district.
Kopati
So,
Mari.
so Akin Ali is the father.
Yes, Lordship.
Which document you will show?
Yes, 1985 voters list.
Page number?
Page number, Lordship 100. Serial numbers 13-9 is Akin Ali Munshi. And serial number 48 is
Mhm.
Subed Ali.
Page 100.
Page 100, Lordship.
Ekilani Munsi,
Yes, Lordship.
son of Sulum.
Yes, Lordship. And same village.
Earlier one, page 62, son of Sulek Sheikh. Here it is son of Sulum.
Then let me see 70 voters list. 70 is 64.
Anyway, who is the
Sulum
petitioner? Muhammad Subed Ali. Where is Subed Ali?
Subed Ali
Subed
is
Ali, son of
Akin Ali.
Ekilani Munsi.
But he is of village.
Hmm. Sorry.
He is of village Borkur Lordship in Coast Title Lordship.
Yes, he had shifted, but he is casting vote there. He is all along, he is casting vote there because there they have property also. Which I have not annexed in this writ petition, but he is all along casting vote. His school certificate also is there, same village, all the voters list, if you see, same village, Lordship.
List in the next week, yes, please. We'll look at it.
Yes, Lordship.
It's already done.
Yes, Lord.
No, if it had been one single document, I would have passed you
Yes,
out
yes.
everything. But you have to look around.
Yes, Lordship.
Let me next week.